Hey guys, welcome back to Semper Fi Mechanic. My name's Thomas. Here on this beautiful day, it's about 70 degrees. It's 2008 Honda Odyssey. We're gonna do the belt tensioner replacement. Not the serpentine belt, but the timing belt tensioner replacement. It is a very common problem with these Honda Odysseys. Battery's dead right now, I'd let you hear it, but I got a couple other videos showing how to do this, but like in a YouTube short manner. This time we're gonna do the whole thing. Sorry, we got the lawnmower guy fucking going at it, bro. So hopefully that don't last too long. What it actually looks like. How you open this bad boy? All right. There we go. All it is held in by two 10mm bolts, but it's down there beside the crank pulley or beside the harmonic balancer. But you can see the two 10mm bolts, but this portion of it right here is covered up by the timing belt cover. So we got to get it in there like this. Once we do get it bolted down, then we pull this pin out and it shoots this out to create the tensions. Well, we're out here doing this. Look what's behind me here. 1970 Mustang Bulls 302, 110,000. We got an 08 Shelby GT500 right there. Got the 6-speed manual transmission, 605 horsepower. Oh, there's only 11,000 miles on it. All right, little screwdriver, turn these. Then it should pop up. There you go. All right, here we are. Here's the top timing cover. Looks like we're gonna have to remove that one and then go down there, jack this up, take the wheel off, take that inner fender well off in here so we can get a better view of what's going on, because everything we're doing is down there. Even though I got an impact, I go ahead and break these loose before I jack up the vehicle, just in case I don't want to jack it up, then my impact break them loose. These are big ass sockets. What we got here? 22? All right. Just enough to break them loose. Now we're gonna get the jack under here and jack it up. Now what do we got going on here? Come on, baby. Next, we're going to be taking this off right here. Our goal is, let's see if you can see the belt tensioner from here. There it is. See, it's right there, and it bolts on two 10mm, but you see the top? It goes underneath that cover. That's why we got to take it off. Remember, we got to pull our little ring out, and it's under there. Oh boy, look at this right here. Lower control arm. I need to tell the customers. That's why you're looking for stuff right there. I'm going to tell the customer about this. Look here at the whole joint, looks good on there, but you see how it's ripped right there? The whole cushion's out. So I need the lower ball joint, lower control arm. All right, let's go let the customer know. All right, now we're inside here. We need to remove this. I think it's just one clip right there. So let's take that clip off and go from there. See what else we need to do. Let's get up in here. Well, popped all the way out there. Looks like it's under here too. What is it? Right there. I mean, that might be good. We just need it back out of the way. That's the serpentine belt tensioner there.
Okay, would you like something fun?
Get this bad boy started. Let's see it come to life here. All right, I had to take a break. I just went and started 1970 Mustang for him. They needed it started. Anyway, I'm not going to take all this stuff off. You can. A couple screws here, goes up all the way around, but you don't need to do that. All right, actually, I just folded it back in on itself. Look. There you go. That'll work. All right, now these are all 10mm. Got to keep these together. Let me see if I do it from this angle here. Come on, baby. I can pop out. This is under tension. Okay, not so bad. Not so bad. Okay. There it goes. All right. Now, I won't be able to replace that because I got to pull that pin out. That's why we have to loosen this up so I can bend this back a little bit. All right, there goes another bolt right above it there. Let's see if we can get to it now. Okay, we found it. All right, what else we got here? I think we got another one over here. See that? Gotta bust it loose first. All right, thank you. That's a long one. Oh, shit. See if there's any damage in there. I see no damage or anything on there, so that's good. I've seen other videos that actually take off the crank for the harmonic balancer, but that is not necessary because I don't think we have to remove the whole cover on this side. There's a trick to it, we'll show you. We do have to go up top and take the top cover off because this right here, here's the bottom, right? We got it all off. If you go up here, the next bolt we have, right? See, that goes to the top cover, and that top cover overlaps this bottom one right here. We do got to take the top one off. So let's take off this one right here. I'm doing this blind because I'm not looking. Keep looking at the camera to see if it's working. I think it's on it. I think everything's going good, right? Oh, wait a minute. I was tightening it. I need to loosen this bitch. What the fuck am I doing there? Fucking shit up. Oh, that's a 12, and this is a 10. No wonder it ain't working. What the fuck am I doing, man? Well, you know, I'm going to use ratcheting wrench, and it's always this big, long gear wrench ones that are like 2 feet long, ratcheting style. I'll tag these in the video. Let's get you some of these. They're awesome. All right, come on. Yeah, it's a big swing there. There we go. Come on, baby. Jesus. There we go. Man, worked hard for that one, didn't we? And once we put it in there, we have to pull this out. Once everything's in place, pull this out, and that shoots that little top up, which causes the pressure, or causes the tension, right? I'm trying to do this without taking this cover all the way off, right? So I pulled it out a little bit, and then I bend it down. Need to go up top, guys. We're up top here. Try to get to this timing cover. We're gonna get this bolt off first. That'll be our first one. Right there, that one right there. Let's do that. Man, that one didn't even need broke loose. So go ahead and grab this bad boy out. And there we go. Progress is being made, my friend. Got another one right there. I'm sure we got some more down here somewhere. There's this line right here. We need to get that out. Alright. So we need to try to, there we go. That's what we want. So I already took that first one out and we removed that wire out of that clip right there. So we're gonna go here on the back side and come down. You got one there, we're gonna take off. And I know over here, actually we have to drop down low. I don't know if you guys can see it. Go ahead and get this back one first. That's the one that looks like we can get to. We already popped it loose. There we go. Oh, well, there it goes. Just drop. That ain't good. We lost one. We'll have to find it. Hopefully it fell all the way through. And that's why it's good to have a flashlight with a magnet at the bottom and top. I can just reach under the car and snatch it back. I think there's much more. I can't remember how many there's supposed to be. We just got that one we got to go after. Let's see if we can see it there, guys. I know it's right underneath the pulley, I think. You guys see it? I can't see the camera, so I don't know if it's pointing to it. There's one like right there somewhere. Right there. I'll mark it in the circle with the little red. You guys can see it good right there. Look at the pulley there. So that's what we're going after. I know smoking's bad, but this is a real channel. I'm a real person. I'm a real mechanic. It's starting to rain on us now, of course. Of course it is. All right, now we got this one on it. So we got it broke loose. There we go. Just got to go real slow. And that's the thing about being a mobile mechanic. If I was in the shop right now, I could just keep on working, knock it out. But as a mobile mechanic, now that it's raining, I can only work so much. So now I'm back in the truck, wasting time, waiting for it to quit raining. See right there, perfect. There we go. It's out. I'm gonna grab my, oh, I fell. It's all right. Did it go all the way down? Sure did. Right there. I got a magnet on the tip of my flashlight, look. Pretty cool, huh? Oh, okay, there it goes. I felt it. Once again, guess who's the lifesaver? Yeah, look, there it is. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. I should be able to pop it off, I think. Come on, baby. Yeah. Okay, now we can get to our bottom one there. That's what we needed. Just not got that top cover off. To be honest, it's been like 3 different days on this vehicle because so many other jobs going on. I got to get better at time management. Jesus, we was waiting on a part too, so not all my fault. Now, this is a 22. I'm missing a lug nut too. See what's going on. Oh shit, man. That's what we need to get into. Is it loose yet? A little bit. Okay, yeah, I think we might be able to do something. Bending this tab down because I don't have this all the way off. I need to be able to reach it once it gets in there. I gotta be able to grab this once it's bolted in and pull it out. Take this off right here. All right, take the crank bolt off, take this off, then you can get the timing cover off. But we're trying to avoid that. Let's try this again. This is what we're gonna press against right there. All right, we got it on top here, I think. Let's see how it's looking in here. Can we still grab it? Yeah, it's right there on that spot that it needs to be. Okay, so now we know there's too much pressure on here to get the new one in, right? So what we need to do is I'm gonna grab a 19mm socket and I'm gonna rotate this thing counterclockwise. How hard is this here? Okay, let's see. A little bit better. Let's see. Maybe I need to do more. Let's see. So this is not fitting in yet, but every time I turn this crank over here counterclockwise, like we've been doing, it moves up just a little bit more. Okay, we're there. It's perfect now. And my battery just went dead. No, you piece of shit. That sucks. Okay, I have to grab my ratchet real quick. So I grab my little 1/4" ratchet here, snug them down. That top bolt, something's up with that one. It's not wanting to play ball here. The bottom one's all about it. Yeah. Okay, there's that. I think it might be cross-threaded a little bit as I continue to do it. Hope it's not cross-threaded. Snug this top one up here. There we go. They are both good to go here. All right, our next step is grab some needle nose pliers or something where we can reach up in here. I have my little O-ring right there. I want to pull that out. That's why I bent it. If I didn't, there's no way it would even go in. So you have to bend it down like that. Now we gotta grab some pliers or something that can reach up in there. These are always good. They work for everything. Everything. Just left-handed. Come on, baby. Get that bitch out with all the force in the world. There we go. All we gotta do is put the covers back on. That's it, bro. Fucking easy peasy. I'm gonna get the keys from owner, and then it needs a jump. I'll jump it real quick and start it up to see how it sounds. All right, we got the keys here. They also got a problem with parasitic drawl. Their battery goes dead every time they shut the car off the next day. And we did a little diagnosis, and I think it's the rear hinge, the rear sliding door mechanism. It's not working properly. That's why we got to jump it here. All right, negative, positive. Ah, come on now. That don't sound good. Woo! There we go, my friends. That sounds like a perfect engine to me. Another job well done, friends. That one makes me happy there. He's paralyzed and he needs this van. So just had the customer come out. She loved it. Excited. Oh, it sounds perfect, she says. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. So all we gotta do, boys, is throw your covers back on, put your damn bolts back in, and you're done. Done. Finished. You're done in 20 minutes here. So you guys don't need me for this, do you? Plus my battery's about to die. That's how you replace a timing belt tensioner in a 2008 Honda Odyssey. Don't worry about the year. Pretty much any of the Honda Odysseys. If you hear that noise like you heard in the beginning, now you know how to replace it and save yourself a bunch of money. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do donate to the channel. I have my Cash App up here. You should say this job was $500, right? I just saved you $500. You go ahead and tip your boy 20 bucks. Show him your thanks. That's what the Cash App's for.